I'm Frank Darris, America's top insurance attorney. Today we're going to talk about pregnancy disability insurance. While the norm in almost all countries is paid maternity leave, good luck collecting here in the U.S. The Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA, was passed in 1993 and entitles most workers up to 12 weeks of job-protected medical leave for birth or adoption. Now, the FMLA does not cover those who work for smaller companies and guarantees only an unpaid leave. It's usually 50 people or less aren't covered. In 2002, California enacted the Paid Leave Act. Other states, such as Washington and New Jersey, have done the same. Most likely, as an employee, you're going to have to use a combination of short-term disability, sick leave, vacation pay, personal days, and unpaid family leave as your maternity leave. While the benefits you take and in what order vary depending on your employer and your state, it's a good idea if you're thinking about getting pregnant to ask ahead of time what you can look forward to. Short-term disability can be offered through your employer, the union you belong to, or even state short-term disability. If your state provides it, you'll pay a small amount out of each paycheck. If your employer or union provides it, the cost might be covered as part of your membership due or an employee benefit. If neither provide it and you'd like more coverage, you can purchase a policy or additional coverage through an insurance provider for a monthly premium, a company like Aflac, for example. Private short-term disability insurance through your employer or insurance provider generally is going to pay between 50 and 70% of your salary for a certain number of weeks. 6 weeks is generally the standard time covered for a normal pregnancy. If you've had complications, a C-section, some plans are going to allow you more time to cover bed rest either before birth or from the C-section. State short-term disability benefits usually cover half to two-thirds of your salary, and coverage can last 4 to 6 weeks for pregnancy, but can be up to 12 weeks. In California, you're covered for 55% of your salary for up to 6 weeks in the same 12-month period. Again, coverage time can be extended for a C-section or complications. Now, most programs require you to be out of work for up to a week before you can start collecting disability benefits. Your employer or your state plan may require you to use up your accrued sick or vacation days before disability begins. I'm Frank Darris, founding partner of Darris Law in Ontario, California.